Right, fantastic morning. You go so more official pa. Happy New Year so and ya finimu na atiasie no. Nti happy New Year kakra. Isi next week ni mu ho na January no. Cover 5 weeks ni mu no bia ya wide there. Obi ma happy New Year bi. Enti me ma sisi ya na so musa ja ben den. Da was say wo so a hwe bedwa no pay. Mra so say e da gudi mu nsam ebre won. Sam ya na tosso de say fata sauti. And I'm there bano. Kejuan Kasani, Eric Casiedu Body, Franco Trading Enterprise, this year Concordia Deba, Franco Trading Enterprise. Me patrol phone no open. Franco Nessa Oko, no matter a phone open Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, of course, some of the smart TVs no so about from 32-inch to 100-inch. 100 inches. Nigga say, you know, when you more banga ya, best free ya, I will come in your ponyo. So papa ti and na extra papa crack air conditioners a hold Franco air condition fridge you know and so I say chest freezer tabletop one fridge beer Franco Trading Enterprise CCTV cameras now I know thing blender na microwave baba bibia wo pe bia bora Franco say Franco atesemu a anya sam keto akra yes omna de sia konkon de sam na de ebrewo now e be chase ntem na ye de afi the Carabao Cup semi-final and ra eba so ewo England na eba na we na Newcastle take a bold advantage ahead of the second leg omo Arsenal by 2-0 and Arsenal for prayer bia amfa yen correct the course so ewo Newcastle and the Arsenal game no and on the course so now to say yes Emirates and Newcastle like I say Musa no yenhwe so the second leg and one sembesi akoba Mikel Arteta after the game then somebody to dra and it's ball roa omo the boy na Premier League dey na omo the ball is different from the omo the ball Carabao and also kan enti no lose ye no so on the Mikel Arteta dey to the second leg in Barcelona on the 5th of February Shannon and the other semi-final game will be on and now here Tottenham Hotspur versus Liverpool 8 p.m. and as a match no Barcelona Shannon and so the BPMB they want some baby Franco Trading Enterprise and they see a concona and then some no idea bro now straight to Nigeria I mean problem minimum no Nigeria for appoint a new manager okay nano AFCON ekwe Malifo coach no or jomba AFCON wa ye share no ana o hwehwe so good tiri ho no so obeka ya I say pressure bi aba no so sa papa no on our screen see Eric Sekuchele one on Nigeria upper no as some new manager going forward the Super Green Girls manager no na a historic move and say if you say Nigeria football sha say omo mfa bibini a ofi o man foforo so won coach omo da de bia ya omo enipa anase broni for the first time in their history omo fa malini so omra emeyom coach in Sida omo hwe say in the next few years so with my boyjuma na what they abma omo and in their 50-year history matches against Mali na momuntimi enche Nigeria that but papa we at the Mali shen at Nigeria 2-0 na was okay that will be good and pampa makofa na ba obebojuma at the amawo monti we and Eric Shelley nin sam kakra no so aba abetodwa yes about Nigeria right if you want to emra fi me head so the Black Queens of Ghana that's sorry ya dey betomo and it's a Nora Haptel one on our head coach at the Black Queens of Ghana what the nothing na go from economy you can't so can send be preparation in some nani nye ho and preparation and friendly matches one and it's na Zambia for sign no say or the omo kwa AFCON yes we qualify for a man AFCON ni bi nanso so akwakopi mu Zambia ho na or the omo akwakopi mu ni ade na yebisa say the ansem ma me say preparation nya papa and na tell na Henry Asante Chum Kasama the Ghana Football Association or then some to dwa kire mu say the contract ban na we December year mu no and or yes say womonto na katwem ma no na up 100% increment na benefits that be katwa na yetua no anye the ministry ne tua oka eye the F ne tua enti mayema 50% increment na nka fanesa na ehu ono so no up 100 I had him retwema mentwe saa na ma me ne se onya adwuma ne bi mu na kopie mu ewo eye Zambia Henry Asante Twum nkyere mu ni
November we and I enter me a more friendly match. How is that enough reason? Coach, but I say on extending a contract. It goes beyond friendly matches. A purely an issue of meji say, the FA organized a friendly against Benin, the Kohoko boy. The FA ensured everybody have friendly. Yama Benin for a bar, every boy, FA. the Senegal for about promo about 2 friendly matches. Yeah, the team no echo Japan echo more friendly match. We lost 4-0 FA. And in November no friendly matches are you decided say everybody. Yeah, Senegal ekasai, and Tunisia ekasai. They said, we had another invitation to come to France to play the French national team. Unfortunately, a quite not thinking any Brianna players in the brain and to me more Japan and France. That is okay. It was all done by the FA. I don't want to believe that because of one window, I would be prepared for tournament in about June or July next year. And for a church on lack of friendly matters.
Right, Henry Asante Chumna Chemusanya friendly match bia mo ye de ombetumi bia was just November and a team no anya friendly match amo entina eno and so ebuafu batesi kasem megisi benyisi na manora hospital edene na tie gina gu akopie mu ewo Zambia shane so mame say chan yentumi an qualify an kobade CAF ede bani CAF de abetum say one increase prize money for the chan as I say you know already say 75% increase in the prize money. Now yeah bought the next one or Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda and yentumi an call say we near or just 3.5 million $3.1 million and I bet you me Ghana yentimi akopie ma koyase betuma GB crampo ya be ko semi final bia kwaje kakra ade aye ne ma nyina amfa aye no nti coach the yenimo and ehwese betumi qualify to kwasa sa didi dramani antimi amfa qualify ankopie mu ewo chan Jumadi no say Franco Trading Enterprise say Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, Franco no matter the phone, Franco smart TVs if you 32-inch could see 100 inches the patrol obenyebi ewo Franco Enterprise. Now chest freezers and refrigerator bia open Franco Trading Enterprise washing machine abedwa microwave abedwa blender abedwa nene money na why yes ensuti Africa and Ghana. Instead of bia bu auto condition de bia na nsu firi hunu mu ba de bia no air condition heat we nya nti ne yeyo abrofo heat ne nya de ni bia ye de ndie mfutru ne ma na mu nya izete e kono ntumi but we are yen for ye de blender ne ye for ye de fan ye de bia Africa 18 mu ne ye no CCTV camera and also Franco for and American for the amount now 40% discount and the cost of the name for gym on numbers 0246 4223 38 0246 422338 Jeweka 0555 939311 0555 939311 Naji office there no 0302 225651 0302 225651 download the app on Play Store and App Store na app on so kwada oye kwa de kwada tete so kungungum kra easy ni ade the numbers am boy nkwa na your numbers na afoforo bi anya no kre nkrofo bi enam social media na mo jeje nkrofo sika so mo de blender brom mo de phone brom mo de CCTV camera brom na mo de music mpacho e careful pa na number we mum na o keep it on francotraining.com and your official website to course abehu de ekoso ni ade imagine so na ye de asi kejuwa nkasa ni Erica Siedu Bwedi. Yada pomode won sambe toaso. Ene nso akwakoye fieda. Ukuda fieda sen. Eti ukuda sen de na jesa won se peshe lai. Ba ni kan fa pomode won sam wi a de aka ebe toaso. Koso ha bedwam.